Good morning students. Today we are going to see practical geometry. For practical geometry you should use a long size unruled note, 80 pages note you should use it. Separately you have to do the practical geometry. Today we are going to see the topic is a construction of the centroid of a triangle. The centroid we are going to see. First see the definition. The point of concurrency of the medians of the triangle is called the centroid of the triangle and is usually denoted by letter G. Here I drawn the triangle. I will explain what is centroid by using the diagram. I drawn the triangle, given the name as ABC. When I take the line segment AB, in that line segment we should find that midpoint. So this is the midpoint. Midpoint means it is a median. Okay. So in the line segment AB, it is that median. Opposite to that median, that vertex you should be joined. This is the midpoint. Opposite that vertex is C. You should join it. Okay. So these two are equal. That is two line I used now. That means these two are equal. Next line segment I am taking BC. Here the midpoint is this one. Of BC midpoint is this one. So therefore it is equal as this and this. That one I am used as one line. It is both are equal. For this midpoint of BC, opposite vertex is A. It should be joined that line. Come to that other line segment AC. AC midpoint is this one. Here if I mark the midpoint means these two are equal. So I marked it as 3 line. That means 3 line means these two are equal. Midpoint of AC opposite the vertex B. You should join it. Here 3 line is meeting at one point. No, that is centroid. Centroid is denoted by the letter G. So here you should write G. In page number 175, you are having that example problem. First I will do that example problem. The question is, construct the centroid of triangle PQR whose sides are PQ is equal to 8 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RP is equal to 7 cm. Here they given us a measurement and the triangle name is they given as PQR. We have to draw the centroid. So whenever you are drawing the geometry, first you should draw the line like this and divide that line. One is for given, another one is for rough diagram. So first you should write that given as, with a pencil only you should write given. See that question, PQ, that one I am written. PQ is equal to 8 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RP is equal to 7 cm. Then a rough diagram, with a pencil only you should write it as rough diagram and draw a triangle. One triangle is enough for rough diagram. Draw the triangle. What is the name of the triangle they given in the question? PQR. That one I am given here. PQR. PQ value is they given us 8 cm. You should mark 8 cm. Then QR value is they given us 6 cm. Here you should write a 6 cm. Then RP value is 7 cm. Write it 7 cm. With small size only you should write. It should be neatly you should write. First draw a line segment 8 cm by using scale. Only you should draw 8 cm. After that make a dot and starting and ending of that line. So make a dot. Give the name as PQ 8 cm. Now see the rough diagram. The rough diagram is here you having that measurement is 6 cm. QR is measurement is 6 cm. So with the compass you should measure 6 cm. I measured that 6 cm by using that compass. Here listen. Here at Q is center and keep the compass needle at Q and draw the arc like this. Next I am going to draw the arc of line PR. PR, see the rough diagram, what is the measurement they given? 7 cm. I measured 7 cm in the compass by using scale. So compass needle with center at P. So I keep the compass needle at P and cut that arc. We already drawn the arc now, so you cut that arc. Here both arc intersecting now, here make a dot and give the name as capital R. After that join it. PR by using scale, PR, you join that line. Next, by using scale, join that QR. Now you will get a triangle. After drawing the triangle, we have to draw the middle line of a PQ. So midpoint we should draw. First we should find that midpoint. How will you find that midpoint? Means we should draw the perpendicular bisector line. When you draw the perpendicular bisector line, you will get the midpoint of PQ. So listen here how I am going to draw. In PQ line segment, with the compass you should take more than half of that line. Here see that one, it is more than half of that line. No need to measure. Just you take more than half of that line. Then keep the compass needle at P and draw the arc like this. The same radius what you have drawn, below that line, you draw the arc like this. Okay, no need to change that radius what you have taken now. Now keep that compass needle at the end of the line segment PQ, that is Q, you should keep it and draw the arc like this. Here listen, the arc is not cutting, so I am keeping at P. Draw the arc. Next, here come to that again P. When you keep the compass needle, draw the arc here and below. Here I have drawn the arc. After that both arc intersecting now, here make a dot, here also make a dot and keep the scale and connect this 2 point with the dotted line. I am connecting. Okay, this is perpendicular bisector line. The perpendicular line is, you will divide that half of that one PQ, it is equally. So this is the midpoint of PQ. Next I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector line of another side. Here in a triangle 3 sides you are having, so perpendicular line should be drawn any 2 sides. So first side I am drawn. Next I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector line QR. So here take that more than half of this line. The line is up to this. Line is up to this. It should be a more than half. So this is the line segment and draw the arc like this. This is the line segment QR. So below the line and above the line I drawn. Okay. Then same radius what you have taken here, keep it at end of that line segment R and cut this one. After that both arc intersecting now, here make a dot, keep the scale, the dotted line you should draw. Here this is a midpoint. So here PQ midpoint is, I am marking that M. Here it is midpoint, no, that one I marked as N. Next, I told to draw only 2 perpendicular bisector line now, so we finished. After that, come to that PQ, where you are getting that middle. Here it is, no, that is M. So opposite that vertexes are, no, here you should join the line. Like this you should join it. That is, I am drawn that a full line. Here come to that QR. It is the midpoint, no, N is the midpoint. Here opposite to that vertex is P. okay, and join this. Then here both the line intersecting, no, make a dot like this. Here come to that, here this vertex Q, connect this one, adjust with middle and connect this line like this. No need to draw the perpendicular bisector line PR. So directly you connect it. Here 3 line is intersecting, no, that is centroid. You mark it as the letter as G. This is the centroid. So you should mark the letter as G. After finish the fair diagram, here you should write construction. Construction is you having the page number 175. See that one and write it, because we are doing the same problem only. See the page number 175. Write the construction. Exercise 4.5. The first 4 problem is a centroid problem. So first 4 problem is centroid problem. I will do the first problem. You should do that second, third, fourth. This is homework up to 1 to 4 problem you should do. So first one I will do. Okay. Exercise 4.5. The first question. Construct the triangle LMN such that LM is equal to 7.5 cm, MN is equal to 5 cm and LN is equal to 8 cm. Locate its centroid. I told to draw the line like this and divide the line. Okay, you will get 2 boxes. Here first box you should write given. Whatever the given in that question, LM is equal to 7.5 cm, MN is equal to 5 cm, LN is equal to 8 cm. Only you should write with the pencil. The second box, write that heading as rough diagram. Rough diagram only you should draw a triangle. What is the name of the triangle in the question? LMN. LM is the given is 7.5 cm, MN is 5 cm, LN the given is 8 cm. Now I am going to draw the fair diagram. When you see that rough diagram, first we should draw the base. What is the base they given? LM. So you should draw the line segment 7.5 cm. By using scale, I drawn that one 7.5 cm. And that line starting and ending, make a dot like this and give the name as LM and write it 7.5 cm. Again you come to the rough diagram. The rough diagram in MN, the measurement is 5 cm they given. You should take compass with the help of scale, measure 5 cm in that compass, and where you should keep the compass needle. In M place, you should keep the compass needle. I measured that 5 cm and draw the arc like this. Okay. After that, come to the rough diagram. The other side, how much the measurement they given? 8 cm. So, with the compass, you should measure 8 cm by using scale. I measured 8 cm in the compass needle at L. So you keep the compass needle at L. Then already we drawn that arc now. You cut that one. Here I cut that one. Both the arc it is intersecting now. Here make a dot and name is N. Name is N. Then take a scale and join this L N. Okay. I joined. Next, join M N. Now you will get a triangle. After drawing the triangle, what we should do? Draw the perpendicular bisector line of 2 sides. In the triangle you are having 3 sides now. Any 2 sides you draw the perpendicular bisector. I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector LM, this side base. Next MN side I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector line of LM. For LM line I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector. For that, first what we should do, in that line we should take more than half of that one by using that compass. It should be a more than half of that line. So keep the compass needle starting of this line L. This one is ending is M. So keep the compass needle at L and draw the arc above the line, this line above the line and below the line I drawn. Next, the same radius what you have taken, keep the compass needle at M, cut that arc. Next, both are intersecting now. Here make a dot, here make a dot, and keep the scale. Adjust with the 2 point and make a dotted line like this. Okay, now you will get that half of that line of AM. So this is the midpoint. Next, opposite to that vertex, here give that, already here given as MN, LMN. No, here I am giving that midpoint is A. I am giving here. Opposite to that vertex is N. So here adjust with the midpoint and N and draw the line like this. Okay. Next, I am going to draw the perpendicular line of MN side. I am going to draw the perpendicular line. Here you should take more than half. I am taken that more than half. It should be a more than half. Of this line, we should draw the arc like this here. Above the line, this one is below the line. The same radius what you have taken. Here N, I am keeping that line segment and draw the arc like this. And next, here make a dot that both are intersecting now. The 2 dot we create a no, adjust with scale, make a dotted line because it is a perpendicular line. So make a dotted line. Okay, it should be a half of this one. M, N here, make a dot and give the name as B. Okay, opposite to that vertex is what it is, L. So join this one. Here I joined. For other side, here listen, the full line I drawn now. Here see that one full line. Here LB and AN. Both line it is intersecting is here. This is G. That one I told no G. This is called centroid. Here M for M and G point. You adjust like this. Draw the line like this. Okay. This is the centroid. Okay. This is centroid. After finishing the FAR diagram, write the construction. Okay. I told to do the second, third and fourth problem. I will explain how to draw the rough diagram. Okay. The second question is draw and locate the centroid of the triangle ABC. The name of the triangle is given as ABC, where right angle at A. They mention the word as in A point you are having right angle. AB value is 4 cm and AC value is 3 cm. Here I am drawn the right triangle because in the question they given as right angle. So I drawn the right angle. What is the name of the triangle is ABC. So I am given that ABC. One word is mentioned here, right angle at A. So where it is right angle comes now, in that point you write the A value. Okay. So ABC. AB is 4 cm. Here I mentioned that point as 90 degree symbol, this one. Okay, here you should write 90 degree. AB value is 4 cm. AC value is 3 cm. This is a rough diagram. How to draw this FAR diagram is draw a line segment 4 cm. Keep the protector at A point and mark 90 degree. Okay, then draw the line 90 degree line. After that, by using compass 3 cm, you measure it and keep the compass needle at A, cut that one. Okay. Then join that BC. You will get a triangle. After that, you draw the centroid. Come to the third question. Draw the triangle ABC, where AB is equal to 6 cm. Angle B is equal to 110 degree. 110 degree, it is a obtuse angle. And AC is equal to 9 cm. And construct the centroid. It is a obtuse angle now, so I drawn like the triangle like this. Okay, so A, B, C. Angle B, it is 110 degree. Here I marked it as 110 degree. Next, AB value is 6 centimeter. AC value is 9 centimeter. This is the rough diagram. How to draw the fair diagram is draw a line segment 6 centimeter. Take a protractor and keep the protractor at B point and mark 110 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. Carefully you should mark it. After mark that one, draw a line like this. It is a 110 degree line. Okay. Then with the help of compass, you should measure 9 centimeter and cut that a line. You drawn the 110 degree now, you cut that line. Then join it. You will get a triangle. After that you draw the centroid. For centroid you should draw any two side a perpendicular bisector line. Opposite to that vertex you joined it. Then 3 line it is meeting now, that is called centroid. Come to the fourth question. Construct the triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, PR is equal to 6 centimeter and QPR is equal to 60 degree. Like this they given us the center letter you should take. What is the center letter? It is P. So that angle P is 60 degree. It is angle P is 60 degree and located centered. A rough diagram is drawn the triangle 60 degree. It is acute angle now. So normal triangle I am drawn. Name of the triangle is PQR. This 60 degree is P. So at P you should write 60 degree. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. PR is equal to 6 centimeter. The same way. Draw a line segment 5 centimeter. After drawn the line segment, take a protractor. Place the protractor at P. Okay. Draw the mark 60 degree and then join the line. Draw the line like this. After that, measure 6 centimeter with the help of compass. You cut that line. Then connect that QR. You will get a triangle. After that, you should draw the centroid. Students, once again I am telling you should do the practical geometry in new note, that is a long size unruled note 80 pages. Separately you should do. What I thought, that is example problem, I thought no example and exercise 4.5 the first one. Then you should do the second, third and fourth problem. Thank you students.